So today we will discuss about the formal charge. Okay, yesterday we have studied about the Levy structure, how to draw the Levy structure. Okay, so what are the rules that are applicable while drawing the Levy structure? It has to complete the octet. Okay, and it has to pair the electrons. So we'll see this topic. Next is the formal charge. So Levy's dot structure, okay, Levy's dot diagram that helps us to get a picture of bonding in molecules. Okay, so we have seen in case of CO3 2 minus. Okay, we have seen this CO3 2 minus. Okay, so it is having oxygen 3 atoms. Okay, and carbon 1 atom. Valence number of electrons for the carbon is 4. For oxygen it is 6, and it is having 2 minus charge, means it is having extra 2 electrons in it. Okay, so already we have drawn it. So the cases, there are different cases in which what happens. Okay, if it is completing its octet in a single bond, it may complete its octet within a double bond, or it may complete octet within a triple bond. So there are certain molecules. Okay, ऐसे कुछ molecules होते हैं जिसमें double bond is required to complete its octet, or sometimes a triple bond is required to complete its octet. So based on that, okay, so and there are certain molecules in which it can be represented by a different structure. Okay, it can be represented by a different structure. Take the example of this CO3 2 minus. Okay, अभी इसका example लेते हैं CO3 2 minus का. Okay, already yesterday we have drawn it. Okay, कल हम लोगों ने already इसको draw किया. Suppose yes, carbon is having 4 number of valence electrons. Okay, so it can be represented like this. So 1 2. Okay, so 3 4, and suppose this is a 5 6. So right now we are drawing for CO3 2 minus. What are the possible conditions are like this. Okay, ये ऑक्सीजन है. Okay, ये दो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और ये दो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हो गए इसके. Okay, so it's total 6 electrons for the oxygen. Okay, then another oxygen atom, this is the case. Okay, and another, this oxygen atom, it is having right now 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 like this. So the it will form a double bond here. Okay, it will form a double bond here, and it will form a single bond here and single bond here. Okay, so this is the representation. Okay, this is the representation of what, this CO3 2 minus 1 representation. Another way it can be represented like this. Okay, तो हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, ये जो डबल बॉन्ड है वो इस साइड दिखा सकते हैं, ये डबल बॉन्ड है उस साइड दिखा सकते हैं. ओके, सपोज आई वांट टू शो, सी directly I am going to show with the double bond right now. Okay, double bond O. Okay, single bond O, and this is single bond O. Like this we can also represent. Okay, we can represent this is 2 minus. Another way, this double bond it can be represent to the another oxygen atom like this. Okay, so this is the various arrangement. Okay, this is the various arrangement that is possible. Already we have seen. Okay, already we have drawn the Lewis structure for CO3 2 minus yesterday. Okay, we have understood how it is completing its octet. But what are the possibilities? This double bond we can represent at this for this oxygen atom. This can be represented for the upper one oxygen atom, and this can be represented for the right side. Okay, जो lower side में है वहाँ पे भी ऑक्सीजन के इसमें दिखा सकते हैं. Okay, so these double bonds can be present between carbon and any one of the three oxygen atoms. So now what is the meaning of the formal charge? Okay, this formal charge, it can help us in assigning bonds when several structures are possible. So right now we have seen the different several structures for this CO3 2 minus. So this formal charge will tell us, okay, exact while determining the best Lewis structure. Okay, so while we are determining the best Lewis structure, and that can be identified the best Lewis structure among all this. Okay, so we have just taken example of this CO3 2 minus. There are many other molecules in which they can form a different structure, maybe by single bond, maybe by double bond, maybe by triple bond also. Okay, so what is the best Lewis structure? How we can understood? So we can understood this best Lewis structure by using the concept of the formal charge. Okay, now what is the formal charge that we will see. So the to determine the best Lewis structure, okay, so determining the best Lewis structure per molecule, the structure is chosen such that the formal charge is as close to zero as possible. Okay, formal charge कितना होना चाहिए? It should be as close as नियर टू जीरो, जीरो के वैल्यू के पास में जो होता है फॉर्मल चार्ज, वो हम लोग सिलेक्ट करेंगे. मींस व्हाट, इफ द वैल्यू ऑफ द फॉर्मल चार्ज, ये वैल्यू है, ओके, विल सी मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ फॉर्मल चार्ज, ओके, देन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड मोर क्लियरली अबाउट दिस फॉर्मल चार्ज. तो फॉर्मल चार्ज क्या? इट इज अ वैल्यू, okay, this value should be near about zero to have what? To have best Lewis structure, to have a best Lewis structure. So formal charge is assigned to an atom based on electron dot structure. So right now we have seen this CO32 minus, and this is the electron dot structure. So based on electron dot structure, we determine a formal charge. Okay, and it is expressed mathematically. Okay, it is expressed. So mathematical formula to express the formal charge is, we will write it. Okay, so what is the value of formal charge? It should be as close as zero to have a best possible Lewis structure. This you have to remember. Okay, and that is what we are finding out the formal charge for any molecule. Okay, to get the best Lewis structure, because there are some molecule in which it can be represented by either single bond, double bond, or triple bond. Okay, so which structure we have to select as the best fitting structure? So that is based on the formal charge, and that's why this concept is important for understanding. So formal charge of an atom in a Lewis structure. So we'll write down the formula. The formal charge, okay, formal charge, we are calculating for the atom. Okay, formal charge on an atom, on an atom, on an atom in a Lewis structure, because it will be determined with the help of this Lewis dot structure. We have to determine with the help of Lewis dot structure. Okay, so formal जो charge है वो हमें identify करते हैं based on the Lewis structure. So we must have a Lewis structure, okay, initially, to find out the formal charge. This is the basic requirement to find out the formal charge. अगर हमारे पास Lewis structure ही नहीं है, okay, यानी dot structure अगर नहीं है हमारे पास, we have not shown properly the total valence electrons which are present in that molecule, okay, proper arrangement, so we cannot find out the formal charge. Okay, so this is basic requirement, and this formal charge on an atom in Lewis structure is can be given by total number of valence electron. Okay, total number of valence electron, total number of valence electrons. Okay, then in a free atom, okay, where in free atom will, like suppose carbon, nitrogen, so how many total valence electron that atom is having? Okay, that is the total number of electron. Then minus, okay, minus the uh, minus the total number of non-bonding, okay, non-bonding atoms. So right here, the total number of non-bonding, okay, pair, okay, non-bonding, or in other way we can call this as a lone pair of electron. Okay, lone pair of electron. How many electrons are present which are non-bonded? Okay, जो bonded नहीं है वो उनकी quantity. Okay, and minus 1 by 2 multiply by the total number of bonding or shared electron. Okay, total number of bonding electrons, okay, जो bonded है bonding electrons, or we can call it as a shared pair of electron. Okay, shared electron. So shared electrons, how many shared electrons? So this is the formula to calculate the formal charge. It can be represented in a simple way. Fc, that is a formal charge, is equals to, yes, Ve, that is valence electron minus, yes, valence electron minus the bonding electrons. okay, valence electrons minus this total number of non-bonding electrons, okay, minus this will be 1 by 2 into the bonding electrons. So this is the formula by which we can find out the formal charge over any atom. So take the example, okay, take the example of O3, okay. So yesterday we have drawn this, okay, O3 molecule. So consider for O3 molecule, take the example. Okay, example of O3 molecule. So if we draw the structure of this O3 molecule, so already we have drawn, कल draw किया है हम लोगों ने. ये देखो oxygen, okay, it is having suppose this two electrons here, and these are the shared electrons, and this is the oxygen atom. It is right now having these two electrons, or four electrons total, okay, and another which is bonded with the single bond. Okay, इसके ऊपर plus charge है. कल देखा हम लोगों ने what is the meaning of plus charge and minus charge. Okay, so this is another oxygen atom is having a minus charge. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 2 3 4 and 5 6. So in this way it is represented. Okay, so consider this as a first oxygen atom. Okay, ये यहाँ पे हमने दिखाया नहीं. Okay, ये है, yes, this is first oxygen atom. Okay, so it is having a plus charge, first oxygen atom. This is, consider the second oxygen atom, and consider this is the third oxygen atom. Okay, so 1 2 3. Okay, so this is the Lewis dot structure of O3 molecule. Okay, O3 molecule के लिए क्या है, ये Lewis dot structure है. So now what we have to find out is the formal charge. Okay, we have to find out formal charge here. So one by one we will find out. Okay, so we'll find out the formal charge. So I will write here, we'll find out the formal charge right now over all the atoms. Okay, so consider formal charge on this oxygen atom, very first oxygen atom, which is present at its center. Okay, which is present at its center, center में present है. Okay, इसको थोड़ा सा पॉजिटिव इसको इस साइड लिखते हैं so that it will be understood. Okay, so formal charge on very first oxygen atom. Okay, so एक काम करते हैं, प्लस और माइनस उसको बाद में लिखते हैं. Okay, so we'll first write down like this only, based on that we'll calculate and then we will write, okay, about plus and minus. So this is uh, the Lewis dot structure. Okay, this is the Lewis dot structure. Okay, so this is the first oxygen atom, this is second oxygen atom, and this is the third oxygen atom. Its Lewis structure we have already drawn yesterday, कल draw किया हुआ है हम लोगों ने already. Now we'll find out the formal charge. Okay, so very first on a central oxygen atom, on central oxygen atom, and that central oxygen atom is number 1. Okay, number 1. So what is that for formal charge? Okay, formal charge for very first atom, first oxygen atom. So the formula is total number of valence electrons. Okay, total number of valence electron कितने होते हैं ऑक्सीजन में? ऑक्सीजन में 6 होते हैं. Okay, 6 are the valence electron minus total number of non bonding electron. कितने हैं non bonding electrons? First इसमें 2 है. Okay, so 2 number of the non bonding or the lone electrons or lone pair of the electrons, there are 2. Then minus 1 by 2 multiply by total number of bonding electron. Okay, bonding electrons देखो इसमें कितने हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6 for this first oxygen atom. ये देखो 1 2 3 4 and this is 5 6. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 which are bonded, which are shared electrons for this oxygen atom, and this quantity is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so we'll write here 6. Okay, so based on this, yes, so here it is minus 3. Okay, so here 6 minus 2 and minus 3. The answer is 6 minus, yes, 5, that is equals to 1. Okay, that is equals to 1, and we can represent it what? Plus 1. बराबर है ना? Plus 1 से लिख सकते हैं हम लोग इसको, because the charge is plus 1, because we have to represent it is a charge. charge may be plus or minus, so that's why plus 1. Now the next, okay, one by one. Next, so formal charge formal charge on the second oxygen atom में total number of valence electron generally 6 ही होते हैं, बराबर है, this is for a free atom. Then minus how many total number of non bonding, 1 2 3 4, 4 number of non bonding, minus, okay, minus 1 by 2 of total number of bonding electrons. Okay, कितने हैं इलेक्ट्रॉन बॉन्ड करके इसमें, 1 2 3 4, 4 numbers of the electrons that are bonding. So 6 minus 4 minus it will be here 2. So answer is 0. Answer कितना आएगा, 0 आएगा. 6 minus 4 2, 2 minus 2 0. So formal charge on this second number of oxygen atom is 0. Formal charge on first number of oxygen atom is plus 1, and the next is formal charge on oxygen atom, third oxygen atom. So total free electrons for oxygen is 6 electron. Okay, free electrons, what are that? Free electrons, यानी valence electrons कितने आते हैं, वो 6 आते हैं. Then the total number of non bonding कितने हैं इसमें, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 number of non bonding, so multiply by 1 by 2 multiply by total number of bonding electrons. So ये देखो यहाँ पे 1 and 2, these two number of the electrons that are present which are bonding. So in this way, so here 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay, and 6 minus 6 minus 1. So answer is minus 1. So look at this minus 1, look at this 0, and look at this plus 1. So charge, formal charge on first oxygen atom is plus 1. Now we can represent plus 1. बराबर है, plus 1. And formal charge on 2, okay, second oxygen atom is 0. No need to write here. Okay, and formal charge on this third oxygen atom is minus. Okay, and in this way, this is the representation. Okay, this is the representation of this formal charge. So what this actually tells us, so this is the way we have to calculate a formal charge for different molecule. We must have a Lewis structure first, Lewis dot structure, and based on that Lewis dot structure we are finding out the formal charge over each individual atom. Okay, so this lowest energy structure can be selected using formal charges from the number of possible Lewis structure. Okay, so lowest energy structure can be selected using formal charges for the number of possible Lewis structure. So different possible Lewis structure if it is बराबर है, अगर उसमें है तो उसमें से हमें क्या करना है, लोवेस्ट नियर अबाउट 0 ऑलरेडी देखा हुआ है, इसकी वैल्यू क्या होनी चाहिए फॉर्मल चार्ज की, इट इज lowest value we have to select. Okay, lowest value we have to select for the formal charge, and that is well understood. Okay, with the another example, consider the example of carbon dioxide. Okay, CO2 का example लेते हैं, and there we will understand about the formal charge. Okay, chalo. So formal charge, this is the formula that you have to remember. Okay, so we'll take the example of carbon dioxide. Yes. So take the example of carbon dioxide. Next example, okay, where we will determine CO2. Okay, carbon dioxide. Okay, CO2. So the CO2 can be represented by the different structures. So we'll draw one by one the structure. Okay, so very first structure is like this oxygen. So here 2 electrons, and here 2 electrons, and here double bond between this carbon and oxygen, and here it is a double bond between this carbon and oxygen, and here यहाँ पे ये देखो 2 हो गए. So you can check it right now. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and 1 2 3 4, 4 electrons for the carbon, and 6 electrons for the oxygen. Okay, consider this is the first oxygen atom and this is the second oxygen atom. Okay, now another possibility is what, second possibility of this structure is what, yes, यहाँ पे एक oxygen, then it is bonded with the triple bond with the carbon and single bond with this oxygen. Okay, single bond with this oxygen, 1 2 3 4 and 5 6. Okay, so this may be the possible, and one first and the second. Then the third possibility of this structure is being, ये बस उसको reverse कर दो. Okay, like this will be the oxygen. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, single bond with the carbon, and here it will be the triple bond with this oxygen, and here it is a these two valence electrons. Okay, so you check it. This is the first and this is the second oxygen. Okay, so this is the total three Lewis dot structure which is possible for this carbon dioxide. आप देख सकते हो क्या किया गया है. पहले इसमें दोनों डबल बॉन्ड से शो किया हुआ है, यहाँ पे देख सकते हो आप लोग. Okay, then in a second and in third case, what they have done? They have represented it with what? Triple bond. Carbon, or one of the carbon and one of the oxygen is having a triple bond between them, and this bond can be shifted to that side. Okay, so like a replica. Okay, mirror replica of this. Okay, so in this way, three Lewis dot structures are possible. Now, one by one, we will find out. Okay, now we will one by one find out. Consider this as the structure A. Okay, consider करो कि ये A है. Okay, structure A. This is a structure B, and this is a structure C. Now, one by one, we will calculate the formal charges. Okay, formal charges on oxygen, formal charges on the carbon, and formal charges on the another oxygen atom. Okay, so very first case. Okay, चलो draw करते हैं हम लोग इसको one by one. So assigning the formal charges on the carbon atom and the two oxygen atoms. Okay, so one by one. For structure A. Okay, for this structure A. For this structure A. Okay, for this structure A. The total number of electrons. Okay, if you will see total number of electrons, so here 4 plus 6 plus 6. Okay, there are total 16 electrons are present. So formal charge. Okay, so I will write here formal charge on the carbon atom. Okay, formal charge on a carbon atom. Okay, so for structure A, formal charge on carbon atom. So bracket में लिखा है C means for the carbon atom here. So how many valence electrons for the carbon atom? That is 4. Minus how many total number of electrons which are non-bonding electrons? कितने हैं जिसमें non-bonding electrons है, जो bond नहीं है कार्बन में? एक भी नहीं है, जीरो है, सारे के सारे bonding है already. Okay, minus, so 1 upon 2 multiply by how many the electrons which are forming paired. Okay, for this carbon atom. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So total 8 number of the electrons that are paired. Okay, that are paired. So in this way, so this is 4, and here it is minus 4 minus 4. Answer is 0. So what is the meaning of this? The formal charge on carbon atom is 0. Next, formal charge Fc, that is formal charge on very first oxygen. Okay, कौन सा oxygen? First oxygen. Okay, first oxygen atom के इसमें, yes, oxygen के valence electron 6 minus. Okay, minus how many total number of non-bonded? So there are 4 number of non-bonded electrons. Okay, 4 number of non-bonded electrons minus 1 by 2 multiply by how many are bonded? So 1 2 3 4, 4 are bonded. So आप देख सकते हो इसमें 6 minus 4 is 2 and 2 minus 2, that is equals to 0. 6 minus 4 is 2, and here 4 divided by 2 is 2. So answer is 0. Now formal charge on the second oxygen. Okay, so this is first oxygen atom, this is for the second oxygen atom. Yes, second oxygen atom is this, and total 6 valence electron minus how many are non-bonded? 1 2 3 4 are the non-bonded electrons, minus 1 by 2 into bonded electrons. 1 2 3 4 are the bonded electrons. Okay, so here also, here 6 minus 4 is 2, 2 minus this is 2, that is equals to 0. So you check for all, carbon के लिए भी 0 आया formal charge, then for first oxygen atom is also 0, and for second oxygen atom also the value is 0 of a formal charge. Okay, in case of a structure okay, structure first, okay, structure जो A है. We'll now check for a structure B. We'll now check for this structure B. स्ट्रक्चर बी के लिए हम लोग चेक करते हैं. सो इन केस ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर बी विल फाइंड आउट फॉर द फर्स्ट कार्बन एटम. ओके, सो फॉर्मल चार्ज फॉर द फर्स्ट कार्बन एटम के लिए देखेंगे, कार्बन एटम के लिए. सो चेक हाउ मेनी टोटल वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स 4 माइनस हाउ मेनी आर दी नॉन बॉन्डेड. एक भी नहीं है, जीरो है जो बॉन्डेड नहीं, यानी जीरो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है. ओके, देन next minus 1 by 2 into the total number of bonded electrons. So 1 2 1 2 3 4 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 8 number of electrons are present here. So 4 minus here it will be 4, that is equals to 0. So formal charge, okay, for the carbon, next structure में carbon atom के ऊपर formal charge 0 है. We'll see now formal charge, okay, for oxygen over very first oxygen atom. Chalo, so 6 minus 6 is the total valence electrons, minus 2 are non-bonded electrons, then minus 1 by 2 into bonded electrons, 1 2 3 4 5 6 6. So in this way the 6 minus 2 is 4, and 4 minus 3, because this will be 3, 6 divided by 2, so that is equals to plus 1, because it is a charge we will have to represent with the plus 1. So formal charge on very first oxygen atom is plus 1. Now next, formal charge on second oxygen atom. Second oxygen atom is this. Okay, total 6 valence electrons minus non-bonded 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 are non-bonded, minus 1 by 2 multiplied by how many are the bonded? So 1 and this is a 2. 2 electrons which are bonded. So here value is a 2. So in this way 6 minus 6, okay, is 0. So 0 minus, this is 2 divided by 2, here it is minus 1. So answer is minus 1 is a formal charge. So here answer is minus 1. Okay, minus 1 is the formal charge on the second oxygen. Okay, similarly we'll find out for a structure C. Okay, structure C के लिए निकालेंगे हम लोग. Okay, so formal charge over carbon atom is equals to 4 number of valence electrons minus 0 number of unbonded electrons minus 1 by 2 multiplied by bonded electrons. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 are the bonded electrons. So here that's why 4 minus, so here it is a 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So formal charge on carbon atom is 0 for this structure. Next, formal charge for very first oxygen atom. First oxygen atom is this. Okay, total valence electron is 6, minus non-bonded is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, minus 1 by 2 into bonded electrons are 2. ये देखो यहाँ पे 2 electrons है जो bonded है. So in this way 6 minus 6 is 0, minus 2 by 2, it will be minus 1, and in this way minus 1 is the formal charge over very first oxygen atom, and the next formal charge over second oxygen atom will be 6 minus 6 is the valence electrons, minus unbonded is 2, minus 1 by 2 multiply by bonded is how much? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 electrons are present which are bonded, which are forming pair, and 6 minus 2 is 4, and 4 minus this is 3, that is equals to plus 1. So plus 1 is the charge over second oxygen atom. So in this way we have found the formal charges for the different conditions. So what you are observing, value of formal charge. Okay, अगर देखो इसमें 0 0 0. So what is the total value of formal charge? Actually it is here, it is near about 0. So already we have discussed about this formal charge. Okay, so value of this formal charge, it should be near about 0. Okay, so determining the best Lewis structure per molecule, the structure is chosen such that the formal charge is as close to 0. Okay, as close to 0. So that is formal charge is as close to 0, and which is possible in this structure A. Okay, which is possible in a structure A. So yes, which structure we will select? We will select this structure for CO2 atom. Okay, CO2 molecules के लिए हम लोग ये वाला structure select करेंगे. So we find that in structure A the formal charge on all the atoms is 0, while in structure B and C the formal charges on कार्बन इज जीरो. ओके, दोनों में देखो आप लोग फॉर्मल, तीनों में वैसे कार्बन पे फॉर्मल चार्ज जीरो है, बट इफ यू चेक फॉर ऑक्सीजन and this oxygen in case of structure B and structure C, so there you are finding +1 and -1 charge, okay, on the different oxygen atoms. And this is the reason, so the possible structure with the lowest energy will be structure A. So structure A will be a possible structure for this CO2 molecule, and this will have a minimum energy. This will have, okay, this structure will have the lowest energy. Okay, this structure will have lowest energy, which will be selected. Okay, which will be selected as a best structure among all these three structures. So I hope you have understood what is the meaning of formal charge. What formal charge decides? This formal charge is deciding factor if any Lewis, if there are multiple Lewis dot structure in that molecule. Okay, अगर कोई भी molecule है उसमें अगर उसके number of different structure अगर हम लोग draw कर सकते हैं like this, by showing single bond, triple bond, by showing double bond here, by showing single bond and triple bond. So which one we have to select? Okay, which one we have to select among all these is deciding factor is formal charge. Formal charge will decide which has to select. Okay, which structure has to select, and the possible value of formal charge, it should be near about 0, and that structure we have to select, and which will indicate the lowest energy in that structure. Okay, so this is the concept about the formal charge. So generally the lowest energy structure has the smallest formal charge on an atom. So you have to remember always, generally जो lowest energy structure जो होता है उसमें formal charge क्या होता है, near about 0 होता है. जैसे हमने बोला कि formal charge 0 है, इसके लिए वो उसकी energy lowest है. अगर हमें पता है उस स्ट्रक्चर में अगर लोवेस्ट एनर्जी है तो उसका मीनिंग ये भी है कि उसका जो फॉर्मल चार्ज है वो क्या रहेगा, नियर अबाउट 0 रहेगा. ओके, बोथ दिस कंसेप्ट vice versa you must be must remember. So this is about the formal charge. Okay, so now what are the limitations of the octet rule? Okay, limitations of the octet rule. So we'll decide what are the limitations of the octet rule, because we cannot predict, okay, the nature of the molecule